So we are now under Spirit Thunderstorm Watch. I am just come back on the air.
Severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Walnut Creek State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations near the path include a bed, Walco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 9:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9 p.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 87, dew point 73, relative humidity 62%. The wind was out at 13. The pressure was 29.80 inches and rising. Around Oklahoma this hour. In Oklahoma City, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 87. In Bartlesville, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 85. In McAllister, the temperature was 83 degrees. In Ponca City, a thunderstorm was recorded with a temperature of 72. At the Tulsa Riverside Airport, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 87. In Muskogee, it was clear with a temperature of 83. Around the region, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 87. In Kansas City, a thunderstorm was recorded with a temperature of 68. In Joplin, thunder was recorded with a temperature of 74. Springfield, it was cloudy with a temperature of 72. In Wichita, a thunderstorm was recorded with a temperature of 71. At Fort Smith, it was clear with a temperature of 85. And in Kansas, thunder was recorded with a temperature of 76. Once again, in northeast Oklahoma, temperatures were between 83 and it was clear. Around the region, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 87. In Kansas City, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 68. In Joplin, thunder was reported with a temperature of 74. In Springfield, it was cloudy with a temperature of 72. In Wichita, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 71. At Fort Smith, it was clear with a temperature of 85. And in Fayetteville, thunder was reported with a temperature of 78. Once again, in northeast Oklahoma, temperatures were between 83 and 87 degrees.
What? See how that radio transmits.